Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Way!
Hey, what's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and I'm back with a little bit different of a video. Alright, so thanks for joining us. With this video, me and the family just got back from a 7-day, 6-night cruise on Caribbean Cruise Lines, and we went to the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, and Turks and Caicos. So because I'm feeling a little bit islandy, I decided to do up some rum-soaked pineapple and some rum-soaked mango. Alright, so we might have drank a little bit of the rum too. Anyway, go ahead and check out the video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, like, subscribe, and let us know what you think. Alright, let's jump right into it.
Alright, so we're going to start out with our rum sauce to get it knocked out. A little rum, light brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg. We're going to get our sauce warmed up, bring it to a nice little simmer, and then we're going to set that sauce to the side so that it can cool down while we are cutting up our fruit. Alright, when it's really hot, it's going to be very runny, and we want it to thicken up a little bit so that it coats onto the fruit when we are, right before we put it onto the grill. So check it out. That's how to choose your right mango. You want to make sure it's tricolored, and when you give it a squeeze, you want it to feel a little bit like an avocado. You want it to have a little give to it, but not too much, okay? So we're going to slice our mangoes into slices the long ways, kind of like apple slices almost. There is a seed smack dab in the middle of a mango, so if you've never cut one before, basically you just cut all around the outside. Think of it like cutting the core out of an apple. There's a seed right down the middle, and that thing is really hard to cut through. So with our mango sliced up, we're going to go ahead and put all of that into a bowl, our mango slices into a bowl, and then we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to slice up our pineapple. Our pineapple, we're cutting up like the rounds with the eye cut out, just like you would get pretty much out of a can. We're not going to be dicing them because we don't want anything falling through the grill. All right, and this is how to choose a ripe pineapple. Green leaves, you want a yellow rind, and make sure it smells really sweet, okay? If it has a sour smell or the pineapple is very, very, very green, then it's probably not ripe yet. So just set it to the side and pick that up later, all right? With your pineapple, same thing with the mango. We're pretty much going to slice right down the outside of it, get all of that peel taken off. How much of that, the brown little spiky things, is totally going to be cook's preference. I have a family, or actually I take that back, I got midgets who pretty much can't stand those things, so I'm going to cut pretty much it all down just to the yellow. All right, now I want to show you guys something real quick. I do not cut a lot of pineapple, and this is absolutely not the way that you want to cut it. Basically, I'm jabbing my knife into my cutting board, and then I got to flip it over, and I got to do the exact same cut from the other side. So basically, I'm making the same cut twice, all right? That is extremely painful, and it takes an incredibly long time. Here's a tip on how to do it. Basically a lot faster. Pick your pineapple slice up and then slice your knife all the way through. Just push it all the way through, and you're basically going to make like a hexagon or an octagon, and that's going to allow you to basically make the cut along that part of the pineapple along the eye just one time, and then you can push it out right with your thumb, as I'm going to as soon as I get done with this cut, and I'll turn it around and push it right there. There you go. So there's a little trick. Don't cut your knife, or don't cut your pineapple by jabbing your knife into your cutting board. Be nice to your cutting board. Your cutting boards love you. Don't stab them to death. All right. So now with our sauce cooled down, we're going to go ahead and coat our fruit. So now you can see with it a little bit thicker, it sticks to the fruit. All right, if you try to put your sauce on your fruit right after it gets done cooking, first it's going to start to cook your fruit and mess with the integrity of the fruit. We definitely don't want that. So let your sauce cool down, and then put your fruit in your bowl, and then you can start putting your sauce on it. It'll thicken up, and it'll stick right to the fruit as you're putting it on there. So let's go ahead and get the rest of our mangoes coated, and then I'll go in for a close-up so you guys can see the fruit with it completely coated right before we head to the grill. Man, how about that sizzle? That sounded good, didn't it? I promise you it smells and tastes a whole lot better. All right, so we're gonna get the rest of these pineapples put on the grill, and then we're gonna come back and grab our mangoes and throw those on there as well. So just a couple of quick tips about cooking fruit on a grill. You probably don't want to step away from your grill too long, and you'll notice throughout this video I actually never close the lid to my grill. All right, my grill is going to be open the entire time. I want it hot, and I want the rum sauce on the outside of this fruit to caramelize, and I want to preserve the integrity of the fruit. I like the crispness of the pineapple, and I like the crispness of the mango as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on the grill. Wait probably about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how hot you got it, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rotate everything. So you can see that nice char mark. Again, this rum sauce has a lot of sugar in it. All right, so if you walk away for too long, you're gonna end up burning the sauce along the outside. You're gonna ultimately have charred fruit, and that's not what we want. We want rum-soaked grilled fruit. All right, we don't want blackened mango or blackened pineapple. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be a good look. So let's go ahead and get those mangoes taken all the way off, and we'll get this pineapple finished up here. Again, the grill marks on these things look great. The rum sauce is caramelized, and you want to save a little bit or set a little bit of it to the side so that you can use it at the end when you get done and you pull all your fruit off the grill. So we're going to go ahead and pull the last of our pineapple off and then head inside and check these bad boys out. And here's an up-close shot of the final product. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on Tremendous Q's Cooking Channel.